Good afternoon, and Marico is one of the first FMCG companies to actually give out its Q3 FY21 update. So finally, earnings season is just around the corner. So let's look at the Marico update which is coming in. Now, the company has first spoken about how they've seen a faster than expected and sharper recovery in this quarter, especially led by festive season, as well as overall the COVID graph has also seen a decline. So that is surely something positive. Now, this faster than expected recovery is also led by a positive consumer sentiment across different categories and across the portfolio as well. Now they have witnessed a strong growth performance across the portfolio, and even in the general trade, which was seeing a bit was on the back foot as of now in the last couple of quarters, now is continuing to see a healthy growth in this quarter. Rural market, which accounts for around I think 30% of their revenues, rural market has also seen a good growth that's obviously growing quite well, and that is also leading to a good growth overall for the company. Talking about the overall Indian business volume growth, now that's a double-digit volume growth that we could expect in Q3 FY21 as well. So Q2 FY21 was an early early double-digit growth, so it's 11% volume growth that we saw. Now this is a double-digit volume growth. Let's see how better is the company doing and what is the actual volume growth coming in. But a double-digit volume growth is something for sure that we can expect from the company. Even the company said that the revenue growth is in tandem with the volume growth, so surely a good revenue growth is also what we can expect from the company. Let's talk about the segments. Now, Saffola Edible Oils has continued to see good growth even now. So last couple of quarters, Saffola Edible Oil was something that was obviously seeing good growth because of the lockdown, people sitting at home. That was surely leading the growth. And now this time also, a double-digit volume growth is what we can expect from Saffola. Parachute coconut oil has also delivered ahead of its expectations. Midterm aspirations is what the company is saying. So good growth, what we can expect from Saffola. Parachute as well. Moving on to value-added hair oil, which had been a slight of an impact during this lockdown period. So now that has also seen a broad-based sharp recovery, is what the company is saying, and it is surely contributing a good amount to the overall volume growth of the category as well. A double-digit volume growth is what we can see in the overall categories. Food portfolio also has continued to see an exceptional growth in line with the near-term aspirations, as well as the strong performance also is backed by new food launches, which the company has seen. A lot of new food launches, product launches have come in this category for the company as well, so that is surely seeing a good growth. Now there has been obviously a steady rivalry in the discretionary categories, that's the premium personal care portfolio, but that is seeing an improvement sequentially, but obviously on a year-on-year basis we are still seeing a decline, but sequentially it's a good growth. So that is something that is coming in on the premium category. It's showing slow signs of recovery in the discretionary category. Talking about the international business, that has been quite resilient, and high single-digit constant currency growth is what we can expect, led by obviously Bangladesh has done quite well for the company even last quarter. So a double-digit constant currency growth is expected in Bangladesh, and maybe recovery in the few other markets are surely leading to a good growth for the company overall in the international business as well. Lastly, overall, the quarter has seen some inflationary pressures in the raw material. Obviously, cutting back some promotion activities as effective in the price increase across both Parachute and Saffola Edible Oils, and they have taken some price increases there, but obviously not as much as the inflation has been. So that is something we'll watch out for, and the company expects to deliver a healthy profit on the back of various cost optimization. So good profits also is what we can expect. Lastly, the company's management is quite optimistic for the rest of the period, provided the COVID and the economic situation continues to improve, doesn't worsen, they could continue to see, quite good growth, and they're very optimistic on the outlook. And the company remains very steadfast in the medium-term aspirations in delivering suitable profit as well as volume growth. So good set of numbers coming in, expectations for the numbers as well as the Q3 update is showing a good set which you can expect from Marico.